Welcome back to my channel, everybody. HairObsess JC here. In this video I will show you how I extract the aloe vera gel from the plant. This is a two-part video, so stay tuned for part 2 where I show you how I enhance my hair products to stimulate growth. Now this is the best way to extract your plant, and it's from the root. Do not cut in the middle because it will not grow well. This is the best way, and my mom is helping me doing this. After I extract the plant from the root, I always wash the plant from all the residue from the garden or the dirt, and I use whatever dishwashing liquid I have in the kitchen or soap water. And there's a yellowish substance that drains from the end of the root of the plant. I just wash that off as well. I got 3 plants, and the 3 plants is what we're going to use. Please stay tuned for the end so you'll see that I'll give you a really good tip on when you're using the aloe vera plant. So what I did is cut off this section here, and I'm going to cut off the tail as well. I'm going to also cut into 3 sections to have better control instead of trying to cut and use a spoon to scoop it out. I'm going to cut off the teeth on both sides to avoid getting pricked. And I'm going to go as close as possible to the skin and come right down. So the aloe vera gel has enzymes that helps to heal and repair damaged cells on the scalp, improving the hair follicles and boosting growth. It also has some sort of anti-inflammatory property to soothe irritation, antifungal, antiviral properties for dandruff. It also has a little protein and vitamins and minerals to help nourish our scalp and penetrate the hair follicles. So watch how I just cut from the skin as close as possible. This is the best way, and you just come straight down. Do not try to use a spoon because it is difficult and you get less gel. This is easier and a cleaner way of doing it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you're enjoying it, if you're learning something. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So this is the amount of gel that I got from all 3 plants. So we're gonna blend all of this. And we're going to wait 25 to 30 minutes just to reduce the froth. Now guys, this is the power tip. The juice at the bottom is what we want and not the froth at the top. You can just blend it and apply it to your hair, especially if you just want to just use the natural plant by itself. You have to strain this. It is a must. If you don't do this and you apply it into your products or into your hair directly like this, all this what you see here is going to remain in the hair. It's going to be extremely difficult to get it to wash out. Do not press into the strainer. Go from side to side, side to side, side to side until you get as much of the juice from the froth. That's it. And then I'm just going to use the measuring cup and strain again just to make sure that I get all the residue from the juice. And we got about 1 cup. That's a good amount. Don't forget that this is a 2-part video. Stay tuned for part 2, where I show you how I enhance my shampoo and my conditioner to continue to stimulate growth. Thanks for watching.